Hey bestie, have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? In today's video, I will show you exactly how you can travel to the United States for free. Yes, you can study in USA for free. This is something that you are interested in. Don't even touch the dial. Keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. So if you're new here, anything, introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And to all of my returning subscribers, thank you. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. I see you and I truly appreciate you guys from the depths of my heart. God bless you real good. I see how you like my videos every single time you come to watch my videos, and I also see how you share me out. Thank you for always sharing my videos, and I thank you for the amazing comments as well. Without further ado, let's get right into today's business. I'm going to introduce myself in the course of today's video, but because I'm really excited to share this information with you guys, just keep watching all the way till the very end. So besties, studying abroad is more than just a degree. It is an investment in your future. And I see that a lot of students give up on themselves even before they start their application, assuming that scholarships are too competitive or only for the exceptional students. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the 2026 Cornell University Scholarship in the United States, and it's a fully funded opportunity. And just so you know, Cornell University is one of the prestigious Ivy League institutions in the United States, and they offer exceptional graduate funding opportunities that support students in pursuing advanced degrees in a world-class academic environment. Now, these scholarships represent a transformative chance to join a community of scholars and researchers making global impacts across diverse fields. And just so you know, it also comes with stipends from $47,548 to $59,029 every year. You get full tuition coverage. Cornell individual students, health insurance is also included, and it's open to master's and PhD students. All countries worldwide are eligible. The deadline is still far ahead, still June 15 of 2026. And then the requirements, yes, you need to meet the program specific admission criteria and English language requirements. As for the documents, application to Cornell graduate program, transcripts, recommendation letters, statements of purpose, and here is the step-by-step application guide. Please, on your own, research and select your desired graduate program at the Cornell University. Then verify you meet the admission requirements for your chosen program. Then prepare. Here are the required documents, like I said, the transcripts, the test scores if required, recommendation letters, statements of purpose. Then go ahead and submit your application to Cornell School before the program deadline. Then ensure that your English language proficiency meets Cornell's requirements. Then notify your graduate field of your funding eligibility and request nomination for the graduate school. Complete the funding application by June 15 of 2026, then wait for the decision from Cornell Graduate School. Please do not miss this incredible opportunity to advance your education at one of America's top universities with full financial support. Who says your dream of traveling abroad is not valid? Hello! On this channel, we are here to demystify those thoughts, those beliefs, yes, so those myths that you're traveling, that you cannot travel abroad or that you cannot study abroad, even without money in your bank account. Hello, we are here to show you, to point you in the direction where you can find scholarships, full-funded tuition. Yes, you can if you actually put your mind to it, and if you are intentional about it, and if you come to this channel every day, watch all my videos one after the other and start to apply. I've told you guys, this is the winning channel. Here we don't look down on ourselves. Here we are go-getters. Here we are doers. We are achievers. And I tell you something, if you set your mind to travel out of your country to a different destination, it's all up to you. If your goal is to travel to Germany, you've always wanted to go to Germany since you were little, but you've never had the opportunity to do that. Hello, you can take advantage of fully funded tuition, fully funded scholarships, and make your dreams of traveling out come true. And yes, if you are new here and you have not introduced yourself yet, my God is watching you. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every single week. See, I've been doing research for you guys, and I found a lot of scholarship opportunities. You don't want to miss out on it. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, now you know. Now you know, because me, I have done my MBA already. I have my own master's degree. So I'm rooting for you guys. I'm actually doing all this research for you guys. And if you would like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, the link to my Patreon community in the description, and you can also find it in the comments. And if you need it specifically, you can request for it in the comments, and I'll put the link right there for you. And you can also join my channel membership. There's a join button right next to the subscribe button over there. You can join my channel membership and be a part of the inner caucus. You already know by now that your girl has always got you guys covered. And that is about it for today. And I want to tell you something. Studying abroad or traveling abroad abroad is going to be one of the best decisions you will make for yourself. I'm telling you, because it's a whole lot. It's a life-changing experience. You get to immerse yourself in the culture of other people. You also get to share your own culture with people from other parts of the world. And that's not all. You get to understand how systems work everywhere in the world. And just so you know, by the time you return to your home country, if at all you decide to return to your home country, guess what? You can be hired as an expatriate. And as a matter of fact, you can also meet your life partner. Yes, in this, in this your destination. You can meet your partner, your life partner, your husband or your wife in your destination. Who knows? You just never know. So take that bold step and apply today. And one other thing is this: if you don't have funds for application fee, yes, a lot of times I've seen people say, oh, I can't afford the application fee. Usually between, I think, $40 to like $100. $100 is for the top tier schools, right? Mostly Ivy League schools, MIT, Stanford, and the rest of them. But you know what? You're in good hands. Do you know that you can request for something called the application fee waiver? You heard me right. You can request, or you can check on their website. If you cannot find it, email admissions office and request for something called application fee waiver. Yes, you are welcome. So for some of you that think that you need to break the bank before, or you need millions of money of funds to travel and make this your travel dreams come true, that is not true. In my last video, I shared with you how you can travel for free. They will pay for your flight. They will pay for your accommodation, pay for your feeding, pay for everything throughout the duration of your study. So guys, why not take advantage of all of these opportunities I'm sharing with you guys on this channel? You already know by now, it's free. This information is free. Just tune into this channel every single day. Me, I'm here to support you. Me, I'm here to encourage you. Me, I'm here to give you that boost that you need. I'm here to give you the pat on the back and cheer you up on your way to the top. So bestie, if you haven't introduced yourself yet, I am actually waiting for you. Go ahead and introduce yourself. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning from? To all of my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your love. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for always sharing me out. I say, guys, I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And that's all about it for today. I want to leave you guys with this quote, and the quote for today is, stay ready so you never have to get ready. Yes, because once you stay ready, anytime you are ready. Like anytime they wake you up, you're ready to go. Part of staying ready means getting your transcripts ready, getting your statements of purpose ready, getting your references ready, speaking with people from your alma mater where you graduated from, people who know you on a one-on-one basis, who can leave good recommendations for you. And that's about it, guys. And just in case no one else told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you are sweet, you are gorgeous, and I'm so proud of you. All right, take care, guys, and God bless you. Have a nice day. And watch this video right here.